I'm inviting you to a free live webinar on NACHI TV to help you prepare to take the ICC code exam to become an ICC certified residential building inspector, and that's B1. So this webinar is free and online, open to everyone. Home inspectors and contractors will go through the IRC flashcards, ask questions and get the answers, and that'll help you prepare to take the ICC code exam. To register, please visit NACHI TV, NACHI.TV, or open InterNACHI's newsletter, number 72, and scroll down and you'll see the link to register for the webinar. We also have inside the newsletter the free online COVID-19 safety guidelines course for home inspectors and contractors. We also have an article, Home Inspectors Are About to Enjoy a Large Increase in Demand. So start preparing now for the upcoming boom. And this article will help explain what's happening with the pandemic, what is going to happen economically, and what home inspectors should do now in order to succeed. And that's in the InterNACHI School Newsletter, number 72. Remember, the webinar is at NACHI TV, NACHI.TV. I'll see you there.